Yo, welcome back to Krabs Trades. If you're not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to get to 500 subs, and hit that like button if you're trying to help me grow as a creator. But yeah, right now we are on January 2022. We're on the 20th. We've been taking some L's recently. Big losing streak in AM session right now. It is January, so that's a month that I normally don't perform as well, but yeah, we just gotta stick to the process. And yeah, here's some of the L's. These were good losses. They were good setups. It's just, I think for some of them my bias was a little bit off, but like totally valid setups. But yeah, let's get into it. We're on 9:30 a.m. right now. And hop on the daily time frame. See the weekly, looks like we tapped a weekly fair value gap here. Put on caps lock. Tapped into this weekly, showing rejection. We got an unfilled daily here. Unfilled daily we could be drawing towards right now. See the 4 hour. Looks like we inversed this 4 hour to the upside. We took out some liquidity as well. So for right now, I'm leaning more bullish to this high, being the draw on liquidity and also this unfilled daily gap here. So yeah, bullish bias, and we inversed all of this. We have a 1 hour here, 1 hour for value gap. Looks like we got an hourly order block here as well. I'm gonna just mark this out just so that you can keep an eye on it. And down here we got hourly fair value gap. Alright, let's see what the lower time frames are doing. Actually, first let's see where we're at in the range. We are in discount, or we just tapped into premium, but yeah, let's see what 15 minutes doing. Tapped into discount, rejected. So yeah, very bullish for right now. Also, this is an unfilled hourly. Some more buy side liquidity. Is this London low here? Yeah. Alright, so leaning more bullish for right now. See the 5 minute. Looks like we're delivering off a 5 minute right now. But yeah, let's see what market opens about to do. See if we got any equal highs or lows as well. This also looks like a good. This looks like right now we're getting good accumulation. A false move right here, and yeah, it looks like we already swept accumulation highs though for this PDI. But yeah, let's see. Yeah, nice. So accumulated, we manipulated, and then distributed up to this unfilled hourly. If this was at a different time and there was like a good inverse right here, I'll take this. See what's ES doing as well. We do have equal lows too. Are these equal as well? They are. So we got good sell side targets. Now we did hit this hourly gap. So no setup though. If I can get something like this, I'll take a short back down through these equal lows. I don't really care about the order block anymore since we tapped this hourly for value gap. Okay, let's see if we can get this move. Sweep out internal. Then I'll take a short back down. Alright, nice. Let's see if we can get a short now. To the equal lows. Let's see. Looks like draw's pretty clear though to this buy side right now. Yeah, so I don't really want to be looking for shorts. 1 hour inversed as well. So you're not really looking for shorts anymore, but now if we could retap this 15-minute fair value gap, which is in a discount, I'll take a long back up to this buy side. In higher time frame, my drawn liquidity was up here. So ideally, I think longs are better. But let's see if this 15-minute can get tapped. Just don't want to be shorting right now. Our 15 minutes tapped, took out liquidity, we're in discount as well. Let's see if we have a setup here. 3 minute. I'll take this 4 minute. Let's say this is 8 plus. See, when does this close? 28. Yeah, so this is a bad close, but and it took out internal. If I can get an entry on the retest, take that. But are these equal lows? They're not. Alright. So I'm gonna take this on the retest of this 4 minute. It's just I don't like this close like this. Just too high up. But if I can get an entry like this, I'll take it. One minute order block. low, high, lower, low, higher, high. Yeah, I like this. Tap back into breaker, continue up to my draw on liquidity, which is up there. See if we can get an entry though. My entry has to be before we take out this level though. Like if we take out this high and then retest the 4 minute, I'm not gonna take this. Yeah, so no entry. Almost had an entry, but nah. It's all good though. Should see this come up for that high. This would have been a great trade, but no entry, it's all good. It would have failed anyway though. Or maybe not. Yeah, it would have been partials and break even. Alright, nice. But we still have this draw on liquidity for PM session, so let's just put this in no trades, the 20th. Let's go to PM session. Alright, nice. So we still have this target up there. Got nice low resistance liquidity here. Do still have these equal lows though. Hourly, unfilled hourly gap could possibly be tapping back into this before continuing back up. But yeah, still bullish to this high, this daily unfilled gap. We could be retracing right now to this 1 hour. Yeah, let's see how 1 PM opens up. I want to see us tap into this hourly. Ideally, I want to see this happen. Tap in, manipulate, come back up like that. That'll be so clean. Super A plus if I can get that. Especially with 1 PM opening lower. Alright, nice. Looks like we might be tapping into OTE of this leg. Or not. This leg maybe. Alright, let's see though. I'm waiting for manipulation leg. Nice. Manipulation leg took liquidity. So now I'll take a long up. It's also unfilled 15-minute, which is nice. Nice target. See if we got long now. Yeah, I'll take that 1 minute. As long as it's hourly held, yeah. We are in this 5 minute, but I do not care. This is super clean. E+ model here. Tapped into OTE. Almost perfectly, but tapped into that zone of OTE. Now holding the hourly as well, or in discount. Super A+. So let's see if it's 1 minute. We'll try this 1 minute. We are in a 5 minute, but I don't really care about it since we have an unfilled 15 above. Also got equal highs. I'd say this is A+ rather than, or other than us being in a 5 minute though. But higher time frame, this looks really good. Also low, high, lower, low. Anticipating a breaker. Yeah, lower low that took liquidity. I'm anticipating a higher high. We could retest and then continue back up. Yeah, breaker as well. So let's try it. Stop loss we're gonna do.
By the way, I'm paying for our pedicures. By the way,
Let's see.
maybe next time. People with the Wells Fargo active
Breaker would be like here.
because they earn unlimited
20-point stop as well.
Visit wellsfargo.com/activecash. Terms apply.
That looks good. I'm not gonna break even here because I think we could still retest the breaker block and then continue back up. So high confidence in this, so just gonna go market. Let's see. Alright, stopped. Been taking like a million L's in a row. Looks like the 5 minute held. I probably should have looked at that 5 minute more. PM 121. an OTE of range. Probably should break even there. Issue was we were in a 5-minute. But yeah, I really didn't care about the 5-minute. Since higher time frame, this looks so clean. Looks like we took this and continued down. Yeah, could have break even there. It's a good setup though. It looks like now we want to come down for the equalos. Alright, now we hit OTE. OTE of that 1 hour was hit now. Kind of want to try this again, but it's a tiny 2-minute here. I think I'm gonna try it again. Based on this tiny 2-minute. Actually, let's add that also. 1 p.m. open low into 1 hour. Like, this was such a clean setup. It's just, I don't know why I keep getting cooked in January. Risk on this looks good too, but here we're gonna break even here. I've been taking way too many L's. I gotta play it more safe. Stop below that second 2-minute. High, low. Let's see.
The YouTube music app has ad-free
Music genre to be the target of moral panic, perhaps understandably. Younger generation now coming of age, witnessing brutality.
Low, high, lower low, higher high, tap into breaker. Alright, let's see. If we keep getting cooked, it's just like, bruh. 'Cause these are like not bad setups I'm taking. Or I don't think they're bad. Place order. Alright, let me try this 2-minute. Alright, well, nice. Nice. Bro, like, what is this price action? Not a single setup recently has pushed like even like 10 points into profit. It's crazy, bro. We're down like 3 bands. was like 140. This was super A plus. Like there was no 5 minute in the way here. Oh, actually low key. Yeah, 5 minute held again, so definitely my fault then. Alright, like damn, we catch 1 win. Like account's blown right now. It's just -3 bands. Was this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 losses in a row is crazy. I hate backtesting January. Alright, no news again. It's also we have no news. That could be an issue. When we had news, we're doing better. Or not, actually. Alright, whatever. Let's see. It's only taking the best setups. Alright, daily. Obvious lows. More bearish. Leaning more bearish. 4-hour gap. Tapping into OTE. Running premium as well. Also this hourly gap. Yo, like I swear, any other month, like my back testing is not this bad, but yeah. 15. On a short, if we can sweep out the buy side, tap into OTE of the hourly range, which is this red line, and tap into this hourly. Definitely take a short, especially if that's the 930 Judas, something like that. Higher time frame, I'm bearish to these lows. Alright, nice. So we're high up in premium. Equal low. Yo, this backtesting session though has killed my confidence, I'm not gonna lie. Absolutely cooked my confidence. Alright, shorts from here would be clean. But I kinda want more manipulation first. Like another leg. Something like that. But yeah, didn't give it to us. Yeah, there are those equal lows. Yeah, no entry in here. So it didn't miss anything. There's no entry. Let's see. Delivering off this hourly, delivering off this 15-minute. Might try this short. Oh, wait, but are we in 15-minute? Yeah, we're like bouncing in between 15 minutes. Higher time frame, I'm more bearish, but let's try it. It's 1 minute. I'll be break even right here though, since this is a 15-minute as well. Yeah, my stop's so big. But yeah, higher time frame, I'm more bearish. Definitely bearish though. At least to the hourly low. It's just I don't like that we're at a 15-minute right now. I'm not taking it. Nice, of course the one that I don't take plays out. Yeah, I didn't take this because we're inside this 15-minute as well. Damn. Nice. Alright, well, that's that. Let's see where we're at. Higher time frame. Could definitely see some longs play out. Now that we took that daily liquidity. 3 minute. But inverse 15 minute. See how 10:30 a.m. opens up. $10:30 opening up higher. I want to see this. Alright, nice. Now short will be clean, especially if we take those highs. Alright, nice. Took those highs. Are these equal? And now we took it. No entries here. Yeah, that's 11. No trades. Skip to PM. Higher time frame, more bullish. 15 minute. Let me clean up my chart a little bit. It's 1 hour held though. Yeah, more bullish since we took that higher time frame liquidity. We are in discount as well. Tapped into OTE. What is this? Old gap. Alright, let's see. Delivering off of a 5 minute right now. Definitely more bullish. Let's see how 1 PM opens up. we can open up lower and get along, that's ideally what I want to see, but who knows. Alright, nice. Opening up lower. If we could come back down, sweep out this low and get along, that would be super A+. Something like this. So yeah, let's see if we can get this ideal setup here. A+, back up to equilibrium, and no setup. Let's see, tap into equilibrium. Close. Not really delivering. Oh, we are delivering off of a 5-minute. This could be a scalp to equal lows, but let's see. 4-minute closes at 20. Try this if we get a retest. Back to this 4-minute before hitting the equal lows. We'll try this right here. But might not get an entry, but we'll see. But yeah, even though like taking all these L's, we are learning. Like some of these were not, like looking back at this one being in the 5-minute, it wasn't a good setup. Like these two, since we were inside of a 5-minute. But yeah, that's why we backtest, to get better. Should definitely paid attention to that 5-minute. But yeah, try this. Might not get an entry, but that's alright. Let's see, high, low, higher, high, lower, low. This could be good as well. Break your confluence, but might not get an entry. Limit. Yeah, no entry. That would have been nice. Yeah. Didn't want to enter off the close because the risk was just too much. I mean, I guess I could have done that, but yeah. Equal lows taken. Now I'm more bullish. On a discount as well. I want 2 p.m. to open up lower like this and catch a long. Yeah, very choppy right now. Alright, yeah, I like this a lot for longs though. We left a lot of low resistance liquidity above. Trying to see if we got equal highs. Yeah, no equal highs. If we could especially take out this low. Yeah, nice. I like a long here. Let's see, when does this 5-minute close? 5-minute held here. Now it's 3 p.m. so yeah, done with that. No trades again. We're on the 24th. Could we please get some news? Still no news. Price action hasn't been the best. We're almost done with January. Getting absolutely smacked in January. Down 3 bands. But yeah, I never like January. I feel like the PA is not the best since it's the start of the year. Because normally my back testing never looks like this, I promise. Let's refresh. Alright, daily. Very bearish right now. This is all just like a void. However, we are in a daily gap right now. And we swept out this liquidity. Could be a little bit bullish, but let's see what lower time frames are saying. 4 hour. Yeah, it's just we're very bearish. Let's see how market opens up. But yeah, we just got like nothing to work off of right now. We need more structure. We just been melting. See how market opens up. Opens up higher. into this 15-minute gap. We are in a daily gap. Low resistance liquidity. Equal highs. Yeah, let's see. I like longs here. Take this 2-minute. Still like this 2-minute. I'll take that if I can get it. Or not. That looks like we're still bearish, maybe. I'm gonna try this 2-minute. See when this closes. $26. Yeah, let's try this. Equal highs above. Took liquidity. We'll break even at this 2-minute. What is this spread though? I want to see these equal highs.
The NFL season will be back before.
Very deep down as well. If I can get a retest, it's kind of closed, pretty high above. Then the thing is, would have another gap below. I'm not sure how I feel about this. Yeah, I gotta have a wider stop below this 2-minute here. I'm not sure why spreads are like this, but I'll try this if I get a retest. It's also a breaker. It's gonna be a limit. We're in. We're gonna be break even at this level, and we're gonna take a partial. Let me set my auto break even. Please market. Just give me one win. All I want is one win, please. Please. Alright. So that hit the 101. Scale half. Nice. We be getting killed out here. Well, that's the trade. Partial secured and break even. What is this? AM 1026. Big ass stop loss for some reason. Conditions are like tight. $10:26 a.m. Tiny win confirmations here. Took out sell side, 2-minute inverse. We're delivering off of, I believe it was like hourly or something. Yeah, this daily, I'm expecting it to hold. But yeah, equal highs above, unfilled hourly above, a bunch of unfilled 15 minutes above. I like the setup. We're deep in discount. But yeah, unfortunately we got hit break even at this 2-minute fair value gap, but I gotta de-risk and, like, you know, go break even more aggressively since we're in like a losing streak this month. Sweep of sell side liquidity. Also had equal highs above, deep in discount, unfilled 15-minute and unfilled 1 hour above. Yeah, tough month though. And yeah, I think that's gonna wrap it up. Looking back, pretty sure we took these today, right? These were not good setups. Looking back, we're inside of a 5-minute fair value gap, but looking back at that, I did still like it, but I could have been more patient, could have waited for that 5-minute to inverse or something. I like this unfilled 15-minute equal highs above. Would have went break even at buy side. And just pretty tough month, I'm not gonna lie. Like, January is normally a tough month for me in back testing and like normally, but yeah, this is why we back test, to get better, and we are learning. Definitely gotta stay more patient, and but yeah, definitely gotta stay more patient. Wait for like a 5-minute to inverse, But yeah, let's review some of these L's. Let's go to the first one. Yeah, this looked definitely A plus. What did I rate? Yeah, A plus. So this one was a good loss. Sweep a buy side. We're in a gap. 2 p.m. open high. Unfilled 5-minute equal lows target. Unfilled 15 in premium. That was a good loss, but break even. Unfilled 15. Good break even. I wouldn't want to be holding through this chop. Let's review some of these losses here. See what I can do better. Low resistance liquidity target lunch highs. Lunch highs are also equal highs. Got a OP. It looks like low high, lower low. Breaker as well. Looks like we're deep in discount. Took out liquidity. The only issue here, I think, if we had a higher time frame PD array, this would have been a lot better. Higher time frame fair value gap here that we would also be delivering off of. But I don't think this is the worst setup, especially with equal highs. I think it's just we weren't delivering off of something significant. That was the issue most likely. It looks like this breaker here, we could have wanted to retest it and then go up. Let's review this one. This looked pretty valid. Sell side sweep inside a 15-minute delivery. Unfilled gap here would have most likely been break even there. LRL above, obvious buy side liquidity. Sweep, OTE, unfilled 15, equal highs. I feel like any other month these setups would have worked. Like you're gonna see as we keep back testing all of 2022, I think it's just PA this month isn't good. We've been having a lot of no news days. And discount as well, delivery off 1 hour, sell side sweep, looks valid. Yeah, these two could have been better. We were inside of a 5-minute that ended up holding, so these were definitely not the best. That's something to note is when I'm in a 5-minute, I can be more patient with those. But yeah, let's see this. LRL above, obvious bias side. 1-minute inverse. Looks like we're delivering off 5-minute. Sell side sweep. Yeah, surprised this LRL didn't get ran here. But it looks like we're in a higher time frame, like hourly gap or something. So that could have been the issue, definitely. Inside of a higher time frame gap. Let's see. Yeah, we were inside of a 5-minute and 15-minute fair value gap that held. So yeah, that wasn't a good setup. Yeah, B rated. Here, delivery off of a gap. 2-minute inverse. This actually looked pretty clean. Internal taken, 2-minute inverse. Would have went break even right here. This looks good. Good loss. Sell side sweep, delivery off gap, 2-minute inversion. Equal highs above. 4-minute. Would have went break even at. Yeah, surprised on these we didn't get at least to the internal, so that was a good setup. Good loss. Obvious buy side liquidity. Issue here was we were delivering off this 1 hour. So I'm gonna give this B. Yeah, issue was that 1 hour fair value gap held. Yeah, this held bearish. And I was trying to long. Yeah, this wasn't good. Sell side sweep, equal lows swept. London lows were left behind. These got ran through later. I remember this, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, this wasn't good. Not the best, definitely not. Equal highs taken. We're in a gap. Obvious sell side below. Looks like unfilled 15-minute possibly. This doesn't look horrible. High, low, higher high. Expecting a lower low breaker. Good loss. Let's see what I wrote here. Also no news. So no news threw off some of these. PA is just not the best when there's no news days. These have all been like no news days here. What day is this? 24th. It could break even though. But yeah, let's review some of the wins. But you can see I'm taking like the same setups. It's just price actions not being the best with no news. Like this is the same setup I've been taking. So sell side or buy side sweep, 10 a.m. open up high. 5-minute inverse, entry on the retest, I believe. Obvious sell side, data low, great liquidity pool. Unfilled 15-minute below, very nice. 15-minute gap went break even here. The sell side, closed partial. Yeah, this was big trade. See the first one. Clean. Low, high, lower low. Breaker block as well. Looks like we wanted to retest this breaker right here. And then continue higher. To equal highs, unfilled 15-minute, we're in discount. Super A+. See, what did I rate that? Yeah, A+. Even though we got hit break even, but this is a trade where I could have not moved to break even. But I'm kind of saying that in hindsight since we did tap this for value gap. I believe this was like a 5-minute or something. So you definitely played it safer here, which is good. See this. It's the one we just took. Sell side sweep, 2-minute inverse, break even, TP1 at this 2-minute, equal highs above. We're just pretty bearish here. But yeah, partial and break even. See this? Huge trade. We started off back testing with big trades. Break even here. LRL, equal highs. Obvious buy side, 15-minute gap. Unfilled 15-minute gap above. This was a breaker as well. Low, high, lower low, higher high. Retest a breaker. Continue up. Delivery off the daily for value gap. We swept out significant sell side liquidity as well. But yeah. 50% partial and hit break even. Unfilled 15-minute. Looks like we're in premium. Buy side sweep. This was a great setup. LRL. Four-hour gap. SMT. LRL. Unfilled 15 equal lows. Yeah, with this I should have closed most here. I was targeting unfilled 1 hour. Yeah, nah, I should have closed full equal lows. Would have been a bigger trade if I did that. But yeah, that's that. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Join up the Discord. Grab some free resources if you guys want this journal for yourselves. It's in my Discord under free resources, so grab it. If you made it till the end, comment. Let's see, comment crabs if you made it all the way till the end. I want to see how many people made it till the end. But yeah, until next time, guys, thank you for watching. Peace.